my YouTube channel. Guys, today I'm going to the salon to make my hair. Guys, for the past 2 months, I think I've been, is it 2 months? 2 months, yes, I've been wearing wigs, just strictly wigs. So I feel like it's high time we mash this all up and come out with a banger. If you want to see how I look like after I make my hair, let's go. So let's start what I'm gonna wear together. So this is the outfit that I've shot, and this pair of jeans, this bag, probably a glass to go with, this pretty jewelry, perfumes, a belt to go because we've been needing some belts, a cap, and a pair of fluffy slippers. So getting dressed up, so we're just gonna apply a little bit of that. Should I show you guys my full outfit? Sorry. It's really sunny out here, and the sky is really beautiful though.
动不动什么叫放弃现在 Give it another try Can't get triple light Feel upside yourself every time 等不到的也许就是现在 You don't give a fuck Fresh around you anywhere Anytime 感应就像在那手机里不停弹 L plus R input 死循环试了直的骂着他的不间断却又被他牵着鼻子走 Feel bad and say Please get out my sight I'm not your fun Can you find another scum boy And keep them in your hand now Delete the chat and records PYQ for 3 days on now Hey Do you realize
So are we from the come together? Yeah.
Apparently we went the wrong place, so here we are going to like the right place where we are actually supposed to see our movie. That's what's up. So my movie was fun. That movie was exceptional. My Village People movie was absolutely underrated, and it's like the best movie ever that I've seen in a long time, and I feel you guys should also watch it. So from now I think I'm going to be going to the club, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you guys later. Guys, the video is over. Like if I'm doing the video right now, I'm fucking tipsy. It's like 1 a.m. See the club, it's called Volcano, and we're trying to like buy suya, you know, and I'm fucking tipsy as well. You guys take care. I don't know if I'm gonna do another vlog after this, but right now I'm tipsy as fuck and I need to go to bed, right? So I'm waiting for my Uber to come right now, so I jump in and go to bed. You guys, please subscribe, please follow, please like the video. Y'all don't use me. I'm not for me share it. I'm not for me share it. I'm not tipsy. I'm not for me share it. We play. I don't know. You guys, take care. I fuck shit up. Let's go.